Hi, I'm Trisha Ashby with Move Utah Real Estate, and we're here as part of our challenge, our 90 days to your next home. We're on week 3. Super excited that you guys have come this far, and hopefully you feel like you're gaining momentum and things are starting to make more sense for you as you're talking about or thinking about buying your next home. So this week is all about choosing the right mortgage lender, important questions to ask your mortgage lender, and super important, some terms that you need to understand. So with your mortgage lender, a couple of things that are important for you are in the guide. So make sure you refer back to the guide. There's actually a lender questionnaire in that guide that helps you with some questions. You don't have to ask them all, certainly, but it will just give you a frame of reference for you as you're starting to talk to your mortgage lender and choose your mortgage lender. You want to choose someone that you're really comfortable with, who has expertise in the kind of loan that you're looking at doing, and who looks at your financial situation and gives you some really great options. And those things are very important because your mortgage loan can make a big difference in the kind of home that you buy and how happy you are there. So also, when we talked last week about your buyer's agent will be a great resource for you to give you some ins and outs of different kinds of loans, and maybe understanding your situation, what they would recommend for your best loan option as well. At least give you some support and guidance in that process. So as you're starting to think about your mortgage process, it's important for you to remember that a pre-approval it makes you a stronger buyer. So make sure that you've talked to a lender and that you've gotten a pre-approval. You've given them all of the loan application information, because they will provide you with an approval letter. And that is very important when we start talking about building or crafting a really strong offer. And don't forget that a pre-approval letter makes you such a stronger buyer. We're going to cover that in more detail when we talk about crafting a great offer, but it's essential. It's like non-negotiable. You need a pre-approval letter. As part of the process, you're going to hear some interesting terms. The first one we're going to talk about is DTI, debt to income. And it's just what it sounds like. It's the amount of debt you have as compared to the income you have. And any debt to income below a 36% is great. Keep up the good work. You're doing awesome. Anything from a 36 to a 43 is still approvable, just so you know, but you might want to make sure that you've got some reserves. And again, a really great lender is going to go over all of this information with you. A debt to income ratio 43% and above is a little bit of a danger zone. So we're going to want to make sure that we are either on a plan to be able to reduce some of your debt, or that you were saving up some more money, maybe even reducing debt before we buy a home. Your debt to income ratio, you're going to list all of your debts. You're going to list against your income. Your lender will help you with this. And one other thing that a great lender will do, if you need some help with your credit score, a great lender will help you improve your credit score. They'll give you some advice about ways to improve it, or they'll also refer you to a great credit repair company and give you some tools that way. So hopefully you found this information about choosing the right mortgage lender impactful and informational. We're always available if you have further questions. We also have some really, really great lenders as a resource for our clients. So if you have questions and want some referrals for some really great lenders, please reach out to us. You can DM us, email us, or reach out to us with a phone call, or click on Calendly and set up a consultation. We'd happy to talk to you more about that. I'm Trisha Ashby with Move Utah Real Estate. Excited to be on this challenge with you. One other thing, don't forget to go to our Facebook group. It's Challenge 90 Days to Your Next Home. Lots of great information in there. And also it's designed to be interactive with other people doing this same journey, being on the same challenge as you are. Hope to see you next week.